Yo, today is a very special day. Let's see if any of you guys can guess why. Hopefully that means today is gonna be a good day as well. I mean, I got my first order right away. This is Jack in the Box, $9 going 3 miles. Lobby open, question mark? Unlikely, but let's check it out anyways.
We don't have a cheesecake.
And they told me that they don't have any cheesecake. They do have something called overload cake. I don't know if you wanted that one instead. Sounded like I just woke her up, which I wouldn't be surprised. It's still really early. But they wanted 3 of them, so I'm sure they'd be pretty ticked off if I didn't try to substitute that. I'll be right back for that one. When I tell you how flimsy these drink holders are, I would not be surprised if this exploded at some point. Hopefully not. And there's already a hole in one of those bags. Oh, nice. DoorDash hid 25 cents for me. So that order was actually $9.25. Well, this isn't one of the crazy Walmart orders, but it's something, I guess. This is a stacked Walmart, $25 going 9 miles. All right, that was a very quick pickup. Maybe 10 minutes at most. And it looks like the first drop off is maybe a mile away. It's got a room number and it says meet at door though. So this might be going to like an apartment. Never mind, this is like a hotel or something, which is somehow even worse. Am I just blind? Where's the elevator? What the? Another meet at door. This one is going to an apartment. Love that. I think this one's a meet at door because there's cold medicine in it.
Oh my god, it's cold.
Well, I ended up doing both of those orders in probably less than 30 minutes, which means I'm on pretty good pace right now. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one's $7 going 3.5 miles.
Alright, so that's food, and then this is a drink from Brittany, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just got the next order lined up right after this. It is for Kitchen Table Cafe, $10 and some change, going 3.5 miles. Still quite a bit away from the first drop off, so it might be ready by the time I get there.
It's all right here for you.
Thank you. In and right back out, just how I like it. Meet at door. Oh, this one needs a pin. Lovely. Hello.
Yep.
Asking me for a pin. Do you know what that would be?
A pin, not a pen.
It worked. Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Next up, going back to Starbucks. This one is $10 and some change, going 5 miles.
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, how's it going? Alright, brother, have a good day.
Thank you. I am so not ready for all the Halloween decorations to pop up, because I know for a fact one of these times They're gonna come to life and scare the you know what out of me. Not exciting. Next order up is a different Starbucks. This one's gonna be $9 going 4 miles.
Perfect. There's 4 grande full drinks of those. Thank you.
This is like the first DoorDash order that I've received since the very first one of the day, which is very strange, but it's a good one, so I'm not complaining. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol, $22 going 6.5 miles, 2 items. This 2 of these. Hello. And then just scribble on that line for me.
Black olives, carrots, celery,
Okay.
all mixed in with like a little bit of milk, and then chicken soup.
I just passed this one, but we're going to McDonald's. This is going to be $7 going less than 2 miles.
Is that big breakfast for the delivery? No, I got it. Uber?
Yep.
Thank you.
That wait was kind of crazy, just for one meal too. And of course I got a better order as I was getting handed that bag too. So we're gonna go ahead and take it because this drop off is like less than a mile away. And the other order is gonna be a shop and deliver for PetSmart. $11 going 5 miles, only 1 item. Should be an easy one. This? It's for DoorDash. It's just my phone's not connecting, so
Gotcha.
kind of stuck at the moment.
Gotcha.
Is your Wi-Fi good here? Do you know? Okay, let me run outside just to connect,
Absolutely, yeah,
and
do
then
what you gotta do.
I'll be right back.
No worries. You get it?
Think so, yeah. Next up, we've got a stacked Walmart order. This one's gonna be $34 going just under 10 miles. Don't know why, but I got a bad feeling about this one. Been about 10 minutes now. I knew this one was gonna be an issue. Yeah, I've got a feeling these orders are not gonna be coming out anytime soon. I'll give it like another 5 minutes. And if I don't see anyone come in, I'm just gonna move on with my life. All right, yeah. Orders finally came out, but they weren't mine, so we're not doing this. Oh yeah, and the reason that today was so special is it has officially been 1 whole year since my first upload. 1 year ago today was my first upload. So happy 1 year anniversary, I guess. And I just wanted to say that I appreciate you all that continuously come back and watch my stuff. I know there's a few of you out there that have been watching since pretty much day 1. So shout outs to you. Current time is 11:25. Current total is 105. And I have 1 Uber tip yet to come in, so probably around 110. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.